Hello everyone, if you wanted to know how you can check your Steam recap, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to check your Steam recap or your Steam replay on your computer easily. First off, you're going to open up Steam, and then what you're going to do is you're going to go into your store, and once you go into your store, you'll have your Steam replay here as you can see. But if you can't see it, then just come here, click refresh, wait for it to refresh, and once it refreshes, your Steam replay will be here. So just click on it, and once you click on it, it will load up your Steam replay. And here you can see, here's my Steam replay, how many games I have played, how many achievements I've unlocked, what is my longest streak, it's my most played game, second most played game, and so on and on. My achievements, if you keep scrolling down, it will show you what type of games you play. As you can see, it says FPS for me. I play the most FPS games. Here you can see your monthly playtime. If you keep scrolling down further, here you can see your shared monthly playtime of all of your games, and you can see what games you've played in what month. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.